Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to apply for the Coinbase card. If you don't have a Coinbase account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $10 in free Bitcoin when you buy or sell $100 or more in crypto. Open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the left side menu. Click on the tab that says Pay. On the right side of this page, you will see a section for Coinbase card. Below that, you will see an option that says Join the Waitlist. Click on Join the Waitlist. So as you can see, Coinbase card is coming soon. So for you to get reservation, click again on the Join the Waitlist button. And now you will see that you're on the waitlist. Once your applications has been reviewed and approved, you will receive your card within few days after the approval. That's how you apply for the Coinbase card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.